We are currently en route to pick up a Ferrari F8 from one of our really good customers, and it's the first F8 I've seen, so I'm really looking forward to driving this F8. Car that compares to Ferrari besides Ferrari, and you don't understand it until you drive one or six, but they all have such different characteristics. One thing is fit and finish. Ferrari is by far the best. Oh man, this thing does not disappoint. I had the 488 on such a pedestal, and until we modified one, I wasn't impressed. And this thing just out of the box it's unreal.
What it should be?
Yeah, it is. It's what I was expecting. Yeah, so it's got nothing on it yet. Full body?
Stealth? Go grab a piece, let's put it on.
Ooh, I don't know, stealth?
Yeah.
This glass is pretty good.
These would be really difficult though. It would be cool to do some black though. Stripes, some accent pieces, do some things a little different.
Add a little bit of black to it, for sure.
And some wheels. Get rid of the massive wheel gap and offset.
It's so sexy though, isn't it?
Yeah.
I love the rear window.
I love that the tips are black already. The rear glass is really cool. Did a great job. I dig it. It's funny that the horse is smaller. It's the first thing I noticed.
Arrived here in Phoenix, picking up a really special Valentine's gift for one of our clients' wives. I don't know if I should tell you about it yet. You're gonna have to wait.
Looking it over, checking it for any damage. Don't want to go driving off and find a big old scratch down the side of it or something.
Alright, guess it's ours. Buddy shop, I met him. He's got a similar Chevy build to mine. His got a lot more performance. It's way more badass, and he beats the hell out of it far more than I do. That's for sure. And that's how I met him. And now we're here, sitting in his shop, and we're gonna put some paint protection on this before we drive it back 1,000 miles back home, and then we're gonna rip it off and do a full satin black paint protection. So how long you lived here?
Is that quick detailing?
I moved out here
Plus soap.
August of 18
Favorite stuff.
because that's
Let's
when you
get
got out
this
of the army.
dust and debris that might be on it off.
We were going back and forth and playing.
Doing a quick install, but we still want to do it right.
I wouldn't call it our best work, but it'll get us home safely. And then when we get home, full satin black. Stealth paint protection on this with the gloss accents. 24-inch Bostons. It's gonna be bad. To do it without pulling it apart, just the kit.
In our shop?
In our shop with everything we need, rolling the edges you can, but still just straight kitting it. Maybe 3, right?
Yeah.
Like that was like the only difference is like another hour of time and it would have been perfect.
Been able to just take our time.
It's amazing that it looks this good for how fast that was slinged out
I'm glad you think
in
so.
a dark shop.
This fender I'm proud of. I'm proud of the fender.
And like the little bubbles though, you can still get rid
The
of them.
mirrors turned out okay. Got some stretch marks.
That's alright, it's all gonna get torn off.
Sam did a great job on the headlights.
Alright, let's get it.
I'm glad the headlights are safe.
Pulling over on the side of the road here in, I don't know, Arizona somewhere. Just got out of the snowy mountains and check out this abandoned place. It's called the Painted Desert Project. It's a hashtag over there. Apparently we gotta come check it out. But the Escalade, I'm in love with it. That thing drives so nice. It's definitely the most European feeling car that we've driven in a long time. Where you at, dude? What are you doing in here?
What were you trying to show us?
Look at all these.
They work. They're on. There's power here.
Oh, weird.
Later we've arrived. I'm in love. Like, that is the most incredible vehicle I think I've ever road tripped in my life. The thing that impressed me the most is the fact that it handles not like an SUV. Where I'd say every Cadillac, every Tahoe, every Yukon before is really floppy, felt like an SUV. This actually handles like a sports car. The automatic cruise control, everything about it, it's incredible.
Yeah, Joe. Distribute the heat throughout the vinyl all the way across. Joe's gonna pull out that way. I'm gonna spread up and down.
Blast this out, it's one big piece.
You see a lot of guys using a heat gun for something like a bumper. But on a bigger panel like this, that IR lamp can put out a lot more heat and a lot more evenly than a heat gun. So you're gonna get a more uniform stretch, not distort any areas more than others. So like, that's one way to keep our printed wraps looking how they're supposed to in the design.
This is the rear diffuser for the Tesla Model 3 that we just wrapped. Vorsteiner actually makes this kit.
So we just finished up wrapping this new Model 3 in MultiCam's pattern. You actually have to buy the rights to be able to print this pattern, but it is definitely one of the most unique camo prints that I've ever installed. We also added all of the Vorsteiner carbon fiber lip kit. If you come around the whole entire vehicle, I can't get enough of how the rear diffuser turns out. And then we've got a really good looking set of Vossen wheels coming for it. What else, Vinny? Oh yeah, an exhaust. We got an exhaust coming, and intake, and cabin air filter. I'm more happy with how this Model 3 turned out. Appreciate everybody watching the video. Stay tuned for next week. We'll be adding a set of Vosens to this, and I've got, I don't know, a dozen sets coming. So stay tuned. We've got a lot of cool projects coming up.